Realia, and this is Rachel.
Hello.
And this is Pascalina.
Hello.
And I'm going to show you about 2 different types of characters that we all get to teach.
Part 1, speaking.
So Rachel, what did you do today?
We woke up and we had breakfast and my granny came and I'm very happy. Thank you.
Awesome, thank you. So Pascalina, what did you do today?
Dancing.
So Rachel gave a detailed answer. Good girl.
Thank you.
And Pascalina gave a one-word answer. Let's see what we can do to help Pascalina speak in complete sentences. To help Elicit speaking, we can use props to help our shy ones speak. What did you do today?
Dancing.
I went dancing.
I went dancing.
Good girl. We can also encourage them and say what a good job they did with props. That was a good job. Well done. Yay!
Well done, Pascalina. You should be queen of the all singers.
To help elicit even more speaking, we can use the questions. So Rachel, do you know the questions?
Oh, yes I do. What, where, why?
Good girl.
I do dancing at school because I like it.
Excellent. High five.
And I enjoy it a lot. Thank you.
Sometimes we need to model the answers for our shy students. And we can use puppets to ask the work questions. Hello, what did you do today?
Dance.
And the teacher can help model the sentence. I did dancing today.
I did dancing today.
Excellent. Where did you do dancing?
School.
I did dancing at school.
I did dancing at school.
Very good. Why do you do dancing?
Like.
Oh, like. Because I like it.
Because I like it.
Yay! Good job. High five.
Part 2, new words.
Remember that toys are the world. So if you want to teach a new word to your students, you can become this word. What word are we learning today?
Rabbits.
You can use a toy that you put on your hand. You can use one you put on your finger. You can use a bag if you want. Or just be a rabbit. Let's hop like bunnies. Hop, 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 hop. Yay!
Hello.
High five. Good job. High five, rabbits. Yay! I'm getting thirsty.
Remember a word.
So Rachel, I want to teach you a new word today. Precaution. Can you say it?
Precaution.
Yes.
Precaution.
Very good.
Precaution. Precaution.
Good
3
girl.
words. Oh, that is the figures.
Do you know what it means?
Uh-uh.
Let me show you. Ah! Oh, take precaution, Rachel. Remember, you can use realia as props in your class. You guys want some biscuits?
Yes, please.
You did such a good
Thank
job.
you,
Here's a
teacher.
biscuit for you.
Thank you. Thank you, teacher.
It's a pleasure. Let's eat them. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.